Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix TikTok when it keeps kicking you out on TikTok app on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come to a settings window here like you say, and you just go down. You click here on apps, then you come to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for TikTok app here, and this is window. You just keep going, and you click here on TikTok, then you come to a next window here like you say. You just click here on full stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down. You click here on storage, then you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all what you have to do, and it's going to work with you. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all TikTok settings. So see you next video.